Timo and I'm the fashion editor for The Australian. It's David Jones' spring season launch, and the retailer has decided to ignore all the talk of doom and gloom and profit downgrades and focus on the trends of the coming season. Now, we could talk about those, but the real thing is Miranda Kerr returning to the runway after a 2-season break. Miranda has been busy having her first child Flynn with actor Orlando Bloom, but you couldn't tell by seeing her on the runway, here walking out in Camilla caftans, in swimwear by Jets, and closing the show in a white number by Dion Lee. The key trends for the season are Safari Luxe, which takes in animal prints, which were shown here by Little Joe and Kira Lee Johnson. Also strong flashes of colour of clashing neons from Ginger and Smart, and from the new David Jones signing Carl Cap. And the final trend is white on white. In fact, there was a big white finale featuring designs from everyone within the David Jones stable, which is getting bigger and bigger by the minute, especially with new signings from Lover, from Basic, and also accessories designer Rachel Ruddock. Joining Miranda Kerr on the catwalk were David Jones' youth ambassador Samantha Harris and their new menswear ambassador Heath Townsend, who was wearing clothing from Calibre and from Basic. Of course, the real star was Miranda Kerr, who received most of the applause and most of the fantastic outfits as well.